pressure. Dallas goes empty. Prescott, step, throw, flag down, and caught in stride. Turpin,
How?
no speed. He's gone. Touchdown.
How do you lose,
Cowboys.
Cavante? Bro, he's the littlest, bro. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Put the square in the square, put the circle in the circle, the triangle in the triangle. Like my nigga, bro. All you had to do was watch him run straight. He ain't gonna do. All he can do is run straight or zigzag. He ain't taking a brute force hit, and he like, come on, bro. He not going over top of nobody, my nigga. That was straight. Run, just showcase your speed and become the track star you are, Cavante Turpin. Good touchdown, I guess, bro. Like, bro, the Commanders got no sense of urgency. Like, bro.
Right here, and it's